Hey guys, I'm going to open with you 4 packages which I got from the Singles Day sale from Lazada, which happened on Monday. It's Thursday today, and all the items which I got from Lazada has already arrived, so supply chain is pretty awesome. 3 out of these 4 boxes are what they call mystery boxes. They put together a couple of products. You pay a certain amount but you get like $200 worth of product, for example. I wasn't planning to, but you know, it's just so tempting. I did buy like 2 or 3 of these mystery boxes last year. They are nice, but because they are not necessarily stuff that you picked up for yourself, I ended up like giving most of them away. So I don't know why I got 3 more this year. I had to stop myself from getting more because every hour they would release new ones, but anyway, it's fun still. So I'm gonna open this first one. Surprise boxes. This one was quite exciting, and it only appeared like once as far as I could see. It's from SK Jewelry, which I think is a local brand. It's a jewelry store, like it's a fine jewelry store, so I was surprised that they had mystery boxes. This particular one, I believe I paid about $49, less than $50, and it has $150 worth of product in here. So it's got, yeah, I paid $49, and the item is in here in a very thoroughly wrapped box. Okay, first and foremost, what looks like an ang pao, I think. What is this? Ooh, cute. It is a, I don't know what this is. What is it? It's like a gold note. I have no idea what this is, guys. Some is it a bookmark? Is it anything to do with the gold? There's this other product here. It says Chow Chai Jin Shu. It's all like okay, the packaging is just falling apart. Okay, so here we go. I've got a bad feeling about this. You're kidding me. It is a freaking pig ornament, and I'm pretty sure this was done for the year of the pig. I mean, seriously? When you put SK on the mystery boxes and it's 150, I was expecting like, you know, I wasn't expecting like fine jewelry, but at least I was expecting like a cute earring or a cute ring. Like seriously, an ornament of a freaking pig? First of all, I can't keep this because it means absolutely nothing to me, and I'm Muslim, so pigs aren't exactly our favorite animal. And even if I was Chinese, I just can't imagine why anyone would be happy to be paying $50 for this. And it's not, oh, I'm so angry. It's not even like I mean, I'm pretty sure this was for their Chinese New Year, and this was like their like, I don't know, their, what do you call that, their expired stock that they need to get rid of. Like, this is so unethical. I hate this. Seriously, I mean, Lazada as well, they should have done like some kind of, you know, vetting to see what these people are putting in their mystery boxes. I'm pretty upset. I'm very upset about this, so I'm just going to, anyways, this is not off to a good start, but I got a box from Bobbi Brown. It claims to have $160 worth of items. I think I paid the same, which is about $50 for this. They have like all the items listed there to show you how it came up to $169. So it comes with a free brow grooming service, which is cool. So you can go to like the counter and get your stuff. So it looks like 3 liquid products, which I'm all for. It comes in the very sleek Bobbi Brown packaging. Ooh, pretty. This is the Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine, and it's in the color Italian Rose. I actually used to have a lipstick from Bobbi Brown called Italian Rose, and it was one of my favorite lipstick colors. So I think this is like the liquid lipstick version. It is super pretty. I like that. There's another color here called Tomboy. This was manufactured in February this year. It's pretty, and it's like a matte kind of color. I wonder if this is too nude for me. No, I think it'll be fine. That is pretty. That's pretty. And this is also $49, so it makes it very worth it. Lastly, we have another luxe lip color, but this one, the packaging is slightly smaller. I haven't bought Bobbi Brown makeup for a while, but it looks like they have upped their game. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like the gorgeous nude. Oh, that's so gorgeous. So I like this. This is a good box. This is what I'm talking about. Like, the colors are all, you know, something that everyone can wear, and it's actual products, and I don't regret getting this at all. Before we get to the last mystery box, I want to show you what I got from Black Malls, which is essentially a vitamin company, and I get a lot of supplements from them. So I got 2 bottles of the fish oil, and one's big size and one's a small size, but essentially the full price of this was like $120, but with the sale it was only $30 for 2 of these. And then I also got, because we're trying for a baby, I also got the pregnancy support ones, which I always use. So this is the one, I ate these when I was pregnant with Mika as well. It's essentially good for like when you're pregnant as well as when you're breastfeeding. So again, 3 of these, the price was like $120, like full price, but I only paid $30. And they even gave me like some new free stuff, which is awesome. A sample of the Dove body wash, which is always useful to have. And then we also got like a small, I don't know, Colgate, which is awesome. So free stuff, and that is also great. Okay, so Estee Lauder one claims to have $260 worth of product, which is probably like the highest. I can't remember exactly how much. I believe I paid still $49 for it, because I wouldn't pay anything more. Ooh, it's like a gift set. I think this is like one of their Christmassy sets. They have a complimentary service on stuff at their store. It comes with this set of 5 full-size Color Envy sculpting lipsticks, and it looks like that. Those are all the colors right there. So that's cool, because you could either give this as a gift, which it looks very presentable. This was manufactured in July this year, so it's very new. It's not old stock. It comes in like nice lipstick packaging, and these are all full size. Ooh, this is a nice color. It's like a reddish color. Pretty. Ooh, this is definitely too nude for me. I'll probably give this away to one of my girlfriends. This nice baby pink one, so cute. And a bright classic red one, which is gorgeous, like reddish orange. This gorgeous. I love this. I love. Pretty. So my favorites are this dark purple one, and also this darkish red one. Gorgeous. This is Insolent Plum and Emotional. I thought that was actually pretty good, even though it's like a gift set. It's, you know, it's recently manufactured. It has colors that works for, you know, even if not every color would work for you, I think you can re-gift them as gifts as well, or you can even give this whole set as a gift. Because it's Estee Lauder and they're all full size, I can get that it's $260 worth of retail, but I got it for $45, so that was actually a good buy. I don't know whether this is like their Christmas design or what, but I thought that was actually good. So out of the 3 mystery boxes, unfortunately we opened the worst one first. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like I need to write them an email just to tell them like it's not right for them to market it that way. Now that, you know, I'm kind of taking a break from work, I have time to do this kind of stuff, by the way, guys. Like, I've written a lot of emails to different companies who do things the wrong way, and I think Lazada and SK2 needs to get a letter from me. But other than that, I really liked the Bobbi Brown stuff, very worth it, and I really liked the Estee Lauder stuff. The Blackmore stuff, the price in itself, you know, kind of wowed me already, and they even gave like freebies, which was awesome. So yeah, I think not so bad. Like, not everything is a fail. It was definitely better than my last year's unboxing, because even though it didn't have like a super fail box, like I think each of the boxes last year were quite like mediocre, but I think this year at least the brands that I got except for XSK did very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you get any mystery boxes? What did you think of the boxes which I got? Let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!